Today you'll learn how to read and follow my crochet grid patterns using this heart coaster as the example. When you download one of my patterns, you'll receive a PDF that includes helpful notes, the crochet grid chart, and a reference chart that helps guide you while you're crocheting. Let's get started. Every square on this chart represents one single crochet stitch. So when you see this row of squares with the first number 10, it means do 10 single crochets in yellow. The next box shows where the yarn color change happens, which is how the pictures form as you crochet. You'll crochet from right to left, and you'll start from the bottom of the chart and work to the top of the chart. You'll see here that the odd numbers represent the right side or the front of your work, and then the even numbers represent the wrong side or the back of your work. Here on row 5, the right side of your work, you'll start from your right side and crochet over 9 single crochets, then 3 single crochets, and then 9 again. Let's crochet the first few rows together so you can see how the chart turns into stitches. We'll first chain 21 single crochets in yellow. We'll start our first row by going in the second chain from hook and do 21 single crochets across. Each row will always have 21 single crochets. Once at the end, you turn your work to the wrong side or back and go right into row 2 with a single crochet. Rows 1 through 3 each have 21 yellow single crochets. At row 4 is where the heart begins to form. We'll grab the red until we need it, and we'll first be doing 10 yellow single crochets. Once you get to the last single crochet in yellow, we'll do our color change and do 1 single crochet in red. This one red single crochet is where the heart starts to form. You'll see with the finished version that the 1 single crochet red is right here, and that's what starts off the heart. We can look back at the chart and you can see right here where the heart starts to form. The stitches we just made match these squares exactly. Once you understand how the chart works, the rest of the pattern becomes much easier to follow, and the more grid patterns you make, the more natural it starts to feel. If you like to try more crochet grid patterns, you can find them in my Etsy shop, Knotted Joy by Victoria. I'll be sharing more helpful crochet tutorials right here on this channel so you too can find joy in every loop.